mandatory sick leaves or 3 to 5, pwede sila magdagdag ng additional 5. Kaya with pay. Pero kapag nagkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na work-related injury at occupational-related injury, ang magbabayad nito ay SS at ECC. Mandatory. Anong pinagkaiba ng dalawa? Work-related. Pag sinabing work-related, yung worker hired. Ibig sabihin, kapag nag-aksidente sa labas, work-related. Pag sinabing occupational-related, yung worker na aksidente sa loob ng construction site. Very good. Ang gagamitin mong term kapag gumawa ka ng report, kapag na-aksidente yung worker sa labas, pero hired, pero wala sa site, work-related. Kapag na-aksidente yung worker sa loob ng site, occupational-related. Kasi kailangan yung ma-identify anong klaseng report yung gagawin nyo. Clear? So that's social benefits, supplemental, work-related, at occupational-related injury or illnesses. Employees Compensation Program is the program created in the Philippines to provide benefits to the workers. Sino nagmamanage nito? Ang nagmamanage nitong program na to, yung Employees Compensation Program, ay yung Employees Compensation Commission, DOLE. So, ibig sabihin, DOLE pa rin yung Employees Compensation Commission. Ano program ng Employees Compensation Commission? Employees Compensation Program. Baka lumabas sa exam later. So, para lang maintindihan natin, I would like to share with you